and we have the full respect for the European Parliament. They are the representatives of the people of Europe, after all. Okay, so the President, that's the end of the debate. No one else is going to get the floor on this particular point. We're going to move on to the next item on the agenda, which is statements from Council and Commission on the outcome of the Copenhagen Summit on Climate Change.
Aspettiamo che sta arrivando la signora Ministra.
The Minister is just on her way.
E diamo il benvenuto alla signora.
We'll say good afternoon to Mrs. Espinosa Mangana.
Signora, è pronta per...
Madam Minister, are you ready to take the floor? Can I give you the floor right away, Madam Minister?
Sì? Bene, grazie.
Jolly good. Okay, President in Office, you have the floor for 10 minutes on behalf of the Council.
Señor Presidente.
President, honourable members, I'm appearing before you today in order to have an exchange of views and my own opinions concerning the results of the Copenhagen conference and the challenges that still remain for us stemming from that conference, both